Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 17, and the prompt is horse, and the option was to make a journaling card. And I filmed everything, the whole process, but when I saw the footage it was very blurry, not sharp. Maybe there are some pieces sharp, and I show them to you, but it's going to be a very short video because I don't have any, or very little footage, less footage, how do you call that, not much footage. Well, this is my little journaling card. I found a in the thrift store yesterday. I was with my daughter and my granddaughter in Groningen, and they have 18 thrift stores there, maybe more, but we went to 6 of them, and I also found this little index card thingy, very little index cards. I loved it so much, so I thought, well, let's do something with that. And so I wanted to use that little index card. So I looked for a little thing, a little horse to put on it. It was broke or not, it was teared. It was the postage stamp was well, kaput. So I used it that way. And well, this is it. And if I have any footage, I'll show you now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.